Can I borrow $500,000 for 2 years, give or take? Please? Anyone? Algorand address is in the description of this video. Nerdy dude stuff. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Algorand. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on that bell notification, and liking this video. Now, in keeping in tune with our promise, we are going to be trying to bring you guys videos definitely once a week, but at least twice a week, shooting for every Monday and Wednesday. So make sure you do click that bell. Now, last Monday, we talked about getting back into Algorand, getting back into our roots. I know that's not exactly everyone's cup of tea that are here from the channel. I know a lot of you were drawn to the channel by the helium mining and some of the deep-in devices, but I will go back to those. I do want to cover, and just in some videos and some updates on where we are, how successful we've been in some of those plug-and-play miners, what's working, what's not working, and go from there. So I do ask your patience. Stay tuned, because we don't want to just overload the channel with Algo. We still want to branch out, but I kind of need to root myself in something consistent, so that's really where we're starting. So I do have a lineup of content that I'm going to bring you and see where we're at on these projects, since I have been doing them pretty much since 2022, a little bit of 2021, I believe, is when I started, even like with the helium mining. So stay tuned. We will get back to that. But today we're going to talk about folk finance. I'm going to try to do a shorter video than the 20-something minute long video, but if you have any questions on how to get into the ultra staking side of things and a little bit of the borrowing and the differences of just staking with using collateral and then using collateral for borrowing power and paying off, I encourage you to check out the last video that I did, because that's longer and more detailed. This is more of a follow-up on where I'm at now in the last 48 hours and kind of some of the things we can see, and of course the little stinger at the hook at the very beginning on why I want to borrow $500,000. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into the screen share. If you guys have appreciated the content or found anything useful or learned anything from the video, my Algorand address is in the description of this video, as well as a QR code above my head. Any and all tips are greatly appreciated. If you do find it in your heart to send anything, leave a little note in the section where you can, so that way I can give you a shout out and a thank you. I actually learned a lot in the past 48 hours on the platform, and I know that I made a mistake when I mentioned when I first did the how-to video that in the past 12 hours from when I put in a certain staking amount to when I recorded the video that I had made like 10 Algorand. That wasn't the case, because I've actually learned something completely different from the time I spent with the platform. So again, if you want to see the how-to, check out the last video. I'll probably forget to put it above my head like all the other fancy YouTubers do. But anyway, it's really quite simple and really easy to do. So, but also, since the last time on the video, I had initially done an ultra stake with a 4x multiplier, which then would have put me in, let's just gonna go ahead and set up on screen for 9, which would have used the 4x multiplier would have borrowed some algo from the platform, so that way we could have used that in addition to our collateral to earn more staking under xALGO. So what I decided to do is go completely, and I'm probably not the greatest of, I don't know, I'm really on the fence about the decision. So if anyone in finance, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm none of that. I probably would have been smarter if I would have continued to keep open, and I might look for a way to readjust this as well, but keep open my borrowed amount so I can keep borrowing from my collateral while I also increase my collateral. Like, I thought about doing some kind of pattern to where every day or once a week I would take, let's say, 100 algo, and I would put 50 towards my borrowed amount to reduce my borrowed amount, and then 50 towards my collateral in xALGO, which then would have given me another additional 50 borrowing power into algo, which then I could have taken that borrowing power and then, you know, gone into a circular kind of strategy. But then I would have taken the 50 for the reduction on the borrowing, and then 50 to increase the collateral, and then gone into the borrowing and then borrowed 25 algo to put into collateral, and kind of go into a circular strategy on that. But I ended up not doing that. I ended up completely paying off my borrowed amount. So if we go into my ultra stakes, you can see right here we have an ultra stake amount of about 1,364 algo, a collateral balance of 1,719.388. I can talk about why this number is different here in just a moment. With a borrow balance, my balance was 1,024, which it's no longer the case. Right now, my liquidation margin is 100%, which means that there's zero chance of my stake getting liquidated because my borrowing amount is zero, and they're not going to liquidate my collateral to recoup the borrowing amount. You'll see that here in just a second. And then it's saying net APY is sitting at a 46.24%. We go up here and we see the stake amount currently in my xALGO is 1,719 point blah, blah, blah. There is a difference between the collateral balance and the staked amount, even though they're technically the same about, margin of error, fees, yada, yada, yada. So we're sitting at 11.45% APR, which I'm very happy and excited with. Does anyone's banks do that? So it's a very attractive and enticing position to keep increasing when it comes to the collateral, but this will just be from the good old manual, hard-working method of increasing that by doing all that myself versus the borrowing power that we talked about earlier. So just to go into a little bit more of a deep dive into the collateral and borrowing. So I haven't figured it out just yet on where I can reactivate borrows. So right here it says my borrows, I have 0. So obviously there's nothing there and there's no borrows yet. Now at any time I can go into here in my collateral, which you see right now I've got 1,719. This matches the stake side. So my collateral is essentially my staked balance, and my collateral balance right now is 736. So I can add more to my collateral, which I don't have any of the xALGO right now, or I can reduce my collateral by this much. And there's an interest in reducing. And obviously, if you reduce it, you're going to reduce it, then unstake, and you're going to be, because if we just do max, it's going to say, oh, 0, 0, 0. Of course, everything's going to be liquidated. But then we'll have 1,719 xALGO that we can then go swap for regular Algo at the current rate of, let's see what it is right now. The current rate of that many's. So if we did 19 times 1.2 or 1272, we're looking at a total of 1,900 regular Algo, which I think is at a current price of about 32 cents. So we're looking at about $620 on that. I could be wrong on the mathing at the moment, but we're looking at that even though it's saying that our balance is here. But this is actually in the value of, I guess, xALGO to USD. So those are some of the options. Now, what I noticed, and I'm going to go back to what I said originally, was that I thought within 12 hours, I somehow managed to make 10 Algo. I'm not sure exactly where that 10 Algo came from. It was before I filmed that video. So it definitely wasn't anybody using the address in the description to like send me 10 Algo as a tip or like a thank you or anything like that. So anybody looking at history, I probably could do that too. So I started thinking, so I was under that impression for the last like 48 hours that I haven't received any rewards from the platform, even though I have so much staked. What's going on? So then, of course, I had to do my own research, and that's why it kind of leads into the can I borrow 500,000 from the beginning of the video. I did my own research to kind of take a look at everything, and I went through the xALGO liquid staking, and I came all the way down here to where this is all the rewards and the breakdown, the earning rewards, how it goes. xALGO is designed to continuously increase in value as it accrues Algorand consensus rewards. These rewards are compounded into the xALGO token, increasing its value relative to Algo. So as Algorand consensus rewards go out, which is all the stuff that they voted on instead of the governance rewards, now that's going to be put into xALGO on this platform, and that's going to increase the value of that in relation to Algo. Now you can go down here and do the how much are you going to be staking or unstaking, which the Algo received will be how much the user is unstaked versus the rate. Yada, yada, blah, blah, blah. So advantages of the xALGO, and this is where I was originally wrong, but it has a continuous yield. So the continuous yield means it automatically accrues Algorand consensus rewards without the need for active management. Liquidity users can maintain liquidity while staking, allowing them to participate in the DeFi programs, and flexibility. xALGO can be used in various strategies from borrowing to leveraged staking. So this means that the xALGO is being automatically compounded into our stake. Just to prove that, I took a screenshot a couple of minutes before I started recording, and my balance was sitting at, let's go ahead and bring this back up. My balance was sitting at 1719, whatever, 0.663046, and as you can see here, my balance is now at 0.663131. So that's gone up. And if we sit here and watch this screen as well, which we're not going to do unless I keep talking, you'll see that number go up as well. So right now we're at 31. There it goes. 31, 31, 32. Obviously, the more that you're compounding and the more that you're staking, the faster this is going to, the bigger this is going to go up. Now, I had another question about this as well, and this one kind of caught me off guard right here, was that did I stake and then is there a waiting period or a grace period before rewards start to accumulate? Because the rewards are to accumulate now on Algo in real time. And that says that xALGO minting compensates for the 320 round delay before newly staked Algo begins earning rewards. Without it, immediate minters could unfairly benefit from rewards generated by other users staked Algo during this delay. The premium ensures fair distribution of rewards across all participants. That means someone can't just do a big chunk, take a bunch of the rewards out, and then dip out. But it says for 320 rounds. What does that mean? Algo has a transaction round of about 4.4 seconds, so that's roughly 25 minutes that someone won't earn rewards when they put their stake. So obviously, reward generation wasn't delayed by 12 hours. It was only delayed by about 25 minutes. And then that's kind of when the bells and whistles clicked in, where I noticed that the rewards were going up, compounding manually. So hopefully that answers that if you jumped into Algo. This is the ultra stake and the staking options. I'm not sure about the other ones, which as we build up this balance, because I want more into this balance, and then I'll start diversifying more on the Finance Folks platform, and I can answer other questions like rate. Like here, if we go into lending and we're depositing anything in lending, or we go into lending pools with the LP tokens, which are a little bit more attractive. Like if we do an LP in here, we're looking at a 36.11 APY, lending APY, and then swap fees and all that stuff. Same with Algo USDC. So we would probably just dabble in there, throw a couple bucks on there just to kind of get more of the hang of the platform, versus something like depositing and staking in Bitcoin, because it's only at a 0.05% APY. So we'll continue to grow and learn, but right now we're going to primarily focus on the ultra staking. So with that said, why do I want to borrow $500,000? Because I went to ChatGPT, which is amazing, and I was like, hey ChatGPT, based on this current rate, how much xALGO would I need to increase my xALGO by 1 a minute? And so it did all the formulas and the breakdowns and the math and the stuff that I probably should have paid attention to in high school, and it said I need 1.137 million xALGO. So then, of course, I'm like, well, how much is that in money? 489,000 USD. So if you got a couple of bucks, address in the description of this video. And then that would generate a total of 1 Algo per minute. So then I took it a step further, and I mean, you can obviously spreadsheet this stuff. And I said, hey, well, over 24 hours, how much Algo or xALGO would that be? And it turned around and said I'd be getting 1,440 xALGO, which is roughly $613 or $620 a day. So then I was asking with the APY how long it would take to double my initial balance with the daily Algo being automatically compounded, and it said it would take about 1.5 years. So I don't necessarily need it for 2 years. Let me just borrow it for 1.5 years, and then I'll have $1 million, but I'll immediately give you back your 500,000. I'll probably give it back in Algo. Who am I kidding? I'll give you back the 500,000 in Algo. So actually, that might be beneficial, because if you give it today at like 38 cents and it jumps up to $2 and I owe 1.1 million xALGO or whatever, then I'll just give it back in that. And it's like a long-term investment for both of us. Please? Anywho, I kept the video a lot shorter this time around, so I don't want to do a long delayed outro. So with all that said, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications as we try to maintain our commitment of definitely 1, possibly 2 videos a week, maybe 3 if something big happens and I have time to record. Like, comment, subscribe, reach out, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, X, all that good stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.